We're filming Quailridge Summit and log cabin park models. I'm going to show you one of my best trailers. This is unit number 12089 and its designation is a Quailridge 40 MLFD, and she's a beauty. She's got redwood siding, white trim, white lineals, white thermopane doors. Walking around the trailer, show you a few of its features. It's got an auxiliary air in the loft to keep the kitties cool all summer long. Outside water spigot, bay window, 20-gallon electric water heater. She is definitely 14.5 feet tall and 37 feet long. She's a big one. That's without the tongue. So let's go on inside now that you've seen how cool the outside is. That's nothing compared to the inside. 40 MLFD, Kelly style. Unit number 12089. Okay, when you go into a trailer at my place, everything in them stays in them. That means they're completely furnished. All the furniture stays. Several features common to all Quailridge. You get an end table and a lamp, a nightstand and a lamp, a sleeper sofa, a couple pillows, rocker recliner, table and 4 chairs. This trailer here has beautiful aspen plank PVC flooring on the entire main floor. So let's see back here. You can see we have carpeting in the master bedroom and stairs and loft only. I'll take you up there in a minute. There's a quick peek because we got too many things to look at down here. You got a ceiling fan in the open concept floor plan. Extra large, I call it a farmer sink. It's a big one. Single lever faucet with the pull-out sprayer. Pretty cool. Stainless sink. Look at all the drawers. You're talking about a lot of drawers for a trailer. Notice they all have full extension ball bearing drawer guides. The other thing, a lot of them have adjustable shelving, so you can put the shelving where you want it. There's the Forest River Park model vehicle ID. So you got a 30-inch range, 30-inch 5-burner stainless range. Check that out. That's better than my stove at home. You got a 30-inch convection microwave. Yep. Convection. That's the expensive one. Convection microwave. Okay. More cabinetry. A little bit of storage under the sink. There's some outside lights. One other thing, these chairs have storage underneath of them. All 4 of them flip up for a little bit of storage. This has my fancy Samsung $1,600 fridge in it. She's a dandy. I love that fridge. I need to get one all put together and do a little display of just the optional fridge you can buy. Okay, hall closet. We got closet over the fridge. I would need a step stool for that one. Big pantry. There's a big pantry next to the fridge. A lot of pantry space. There's a tall closet. That would be for hanging coats, vacuum cleaner, so on and so forth. We're in the hall here. So You've also got all these cabinets in the hallway. Cabinets everywhere. Check it out. Not real deep, probably 6 inches deep, but hey, how much room do you need for cans and stuff? The more cabinets, the happier people are. Gives you a place to put your stuff. It's all LED lights in here too, so it's really nice and bright. There's a little bit of storage underneath of the loft stairs here. Not a lot, but I mean, you could do blankets, linens, towels if you wanted. Let's check out the bathroom. Ooh, I gotta turn the light on. Don't need the exhaust fan. I'm not passing gas at the moment. Here's the pretty cool wardrobe. I mean vanity. I said wardrobe. Yeah, vanity. So there's your medicine cabinet. There's your sink. Porcelain house stool, of course. And then you've got the full extension ball bearing drawer guides in the bathroom. You also have storage under the sink. This is one nice feature here. You've got almost 7 foot of headroom in the shower. This is a one-piece fiberglass shower surround. And the threshold there is roughly 5 inches. So a lot of people want the low threshold, gets them into the shower. All right, well, we've seen the bathroom, so let's go check out the master bedroom. Again, we're going to step down into the master. See, there's a step down. And you got to walk around queen bed. No problem walking around the queen. There's your nightstand and lamp. You got a Serta Dreamscape mattress with a comforter. Got mini blinds, wood mini blinds on all the windows. Definitely have room for a queen or king if you wanted to change it out. They come with the queen, but you definitely have room for a king. I got to show you this wardrobe. This is pretty cool. They made room for a big TV in here. You can get a 50-incher up there, no problem. And look at all the drawers. Full extension ball bearing drawer guides, just like I told you. So you can cram them full of goodies. His and hers, or like I refer to them, hers and hers. So you can have both sides, hers and hers. Happy wife, happy life. Got storage. Electrical panel is conveniently located right here with all the breakers clearly marked. Got a nice matching cabinet. Don't even know it's there. Okay. Well, what you've all been waiting for. The loft. The loft. We're going upstairs to the loft. Okay, going through here. Got a great big loft in this trailer. There's the entertainment center. Got coax wired. There's the auxiliary air conditioner. Over here is the top loft. Over there is the 5-foot loft. I think that pretty well shows you this trailer. Let's go on downstairs. Bedroom in the rear. Step down. Nice big shower only bathroom. Great vanity in there. A lot of closet and pantry space in the hall. 5-burner range. 30-inch convection microwave. Oversized farmer sink. Mastercraft rocker recliner. You got an InnoFlame furnace. I said furnace. Fireplace. And it's really cool. feature wall behind the TV is kind of cool. Some LED lights in the front. Just a great trailer all in all. One of my favorites. MSRP on this trailer is right at $70,000, and it's in stock and ready for delivery. Quailridge 40 MLFD, and the MLFD comes in several different configurations, and to me this is one of the better ones. It's redwood siding with white corners and white trim. She's actually a beauty. It's a beauty. Very good looking trailer. Put some white skirting on it, and it just really sets it off. You can see we've got plenty of trailers here. Quailridge 40 MLFD. She's a beauty. 20-gallon electric hot water heater. Thermopane windows and doors. Let's go on in and have a look around. I'll show you all the cool things it's got inside. And it's got some pretty cool stuff, I'm telling you. Got a 6-foot vinyl patio door entry. I got the fireplace going for some ambiance. Then you got your feature wall. All Quailridges have the sleeper sofa. Mini blinds on all the windows. Vertical blind on the patio door. End table and lamp. There's the rocker recliner. Table and 4 chairs. Does have a leaf in the center of it. Increases the size of the table about 10 inches. Storage under the seats. You got some really nice shelving in the cabinetry. Adjustable shelving, like so. That's adjustable. Just move your shelves where you want them. Cool subway tile. Ball bearing full extension drawer guides. Check out that farmer sink. It's really cool. Got a single lever faucet with the pull-out sprayer. You've got a 30-inch range with 5 burners and a convection microwave above it. Check out the Samsung fridge with the 10-year warranty. Double door fridge, freezer on the bottom. That's an expensive fridge. And it should be, because this is an expensive trailer. Check out the cabinetry. This pantry is huge. Now if you can't get enough groceries in there, you're gonna need a house instead of a trailer. Then over here, you got a place for your vacuum, your coats, or your brooms. And then if you didn't have enough pantry space there, you got more pantry here. Self-closing hinges. Let's head up the loft. We'll go upstairs. I got to show you the loft. It's got a big, tall 5-foot loft in the back and about a 4-foot loft in the front. You can fit plenty of people up here. There's an entertainment center. There's an auxiliary air conditioner. Grandkids, kids, or adults love these upstairs. They just love them. You can't hardly sell a trailer without a loft these days. So, we'll head back down the stairs. Let's head on into the master suite next. I think I mentioned that there's carpeting in the loft and master bedroom only. The rest of the trailer is plank PVC flooring. There you go. Nightstand and lamp. Serta mattress and bedspread. Good view out the windows. All you see around here is trailers. Need a few customers. Check out the new wardrobe for 2020. 8 drawers and 4 doors in this one. full extension ball bearing drawer guides. You got closet rods and shelving in there. Here's the full extension ball bearing drawer guides. There you go. Well, we got one more place to look at, and that'd be the bathroom. And this has a nice bathroom. Nice big bathroom with the corner vanity. Check that out. Big corner vanity. A window. You've got the shower with the low threshold. Easy to get in and out of. Just a couple inches tall there. Plenty of shelving. And the all-important commode and sink. Well, there's some more storage underneath of the stairs. There's lots of storage in this trailer. I predict it will be one of the first ones to go. Forest River really outdid themselves on this one. I love it. Absolutely love it. I could move into this trailer and I'd be pretty happy. There you go.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.